Welcome. If your Gmail inbox is getting crowded with snoozed emails you no longer need, it's time to clean things up. Today, I'm walking you through the quick and easy steps to delete snoozed emails right from the Gmail app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Take a look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. A list of options will appear. Scroll through and tap on Snoozed. This folder displays every email you've chosen to snooze for later. Now, browse through your snoozed emails and find the one you want to delete. Once you've chosen the email, don't just tap. It's important to long press on the email. Hold your finger down until you see the email become selected. If you want to delete more than one, simply tap on any other emails you wish to remove while you're in selection mode. With your email selected, look to the very top of your screen for the trash bin icon. This icon is your key to clearing out clutter. Tap the trash bin, and just like that, the snoozed emails you selected are sent directly to your trash folder. You've successfully deleted your snoozed emails. If you ever delete something by accident, remember you have a little time to recover it from the trash, which Gmail holds for 30 days before permanent deletion. Keeping your inbox organized doesn't have to be complicated. By managing your snoozed emails, you ensure that only what matters most is at the top of your Gmail. Thanks for tuning in. Now your inbox is one step closer to stress-free perfection.